Hello everybody. Today we will see how to create a drop down in Power BI. Okay, so this is our desktop platform of Power BI where we create our report, and under report we are going to create drop down. Okay, so this is our first view. Right now there is not any data source over here, so firstly we provide the data source. So via Excel I am getting a data source, my data sheet. When I'm getting this, so I am taking an employee sheet from this Excel, then I will load it. Yeah, now uh, at the right hand side you are seeing fields, and under fields there is a employees. Okay, an employees column names are available. So for the drop down, what we will do, firstly we will take a new visual, and after new visual we will select slicer is the visualization which provides your drop down. Okay, and suppose we want the year. See, our under the employee there is ID, joining date and name. So we want all the year of that particular table or that particular data set. So firstly what we will do, we will enhance it, and there is a year option, and we drag and drop on this. Now right now it's showing you the slider, but if we want to convert as a drop down, so there is a drop down thing, we will click it, then it's come in drop down format. So there is a lot of features are also available with the slicer like this. Suppose we want to select all the data at one time, or by default all select, or multiple select, we can do like that also. For see, but how we are doing this, by using control. When we are pressing control and then we click on 2017, 2018, 19, something like this, so that we can select multiple options, and like this way we are using it. So this is a drop down, right? Suppose we want another drop down, so for that we will take as a name, right? Drop down. See, now there is a drop down available over here on the basis of name. So like this way you can create drop down in your bar on your page. Thank you and have a nice day.